guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a how to blow dry your own hair. I know blow drying your hair can be very difficult. I know I am not perfect. I am not a professional, but this video is basically how I blow dry my own hair, and I hope it works for you guys. I hope you try it out as well. And yeah, stay tuned and keep watching. We're gonna get into the video.
Got these thoughts in my head.
So the shampoo and conditioner that I use is from Urban Hydration. My shampoo is Jamaican castor oil and avocado, and my conditioner is honey, argan oil, and sweet vanilla bean extract. So it's these two. And what I love about these is that it is sulfate free, cruelty free, and silicone free as well. They also give back. For every product sold, they donate it to an organization called Water is Life, which is really cool. Love it, recommend it. I got these both at TJ Maxx. Each one is $5.99, which is a steal, and it's all natural and it's also organic as well, which I love. After I shampoo my hair and condition my hair, I put in this mask in my hair and I leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes. The brand is called Shea Moisture. It's sulfate free and it's color safe as well. It's organic and natural, cruelty free, and I love this product. Definitely recommend it. It smells amazing, guys. Oh, love it. So good. Get it. So yeah, I put this in my hair for about 10 to 15 minutes, and then I comb my hair, brush my hair out, rinse, and put my little cute little turban towel that I bought from TJ Maxx as well. I literally get all my products from TJ Maxx. Love them. I think this was $7.99, I think. And it also came with the little shower cap, which is really cute. Alright guys, so let's get started. So first things first, take off my turban. This is my hair. I have natural curly wavy hair, and the blow dryer that I'm gonna be using is from Conair 1875. I think I got this at Rite Aid, I think. And then the brush that I'm using is this brush. I got this from a beauty supply store. I don't remember how much it was, but yeah, you should get yourself one of those. And this as well, I bought it for like 99 cents. Alright guys, so first things first, what I like to do in my hair is comb out my hair with my hand. I have a little mirror in front of me. So what I do is I part my hair and I leave a little bit at the bottom, and then the rest of my hair I just put it up. So what I like to do is I like to dry my hair a little bit before I actually blow it out. That way it's not soaking wet. Okay, so now my hair is somewhat damp. I like to part my hair in the middle. I personally like to start with my left side. So I'm going to grab my hair. I'm going to grab my brush, put my hair like this, wrap it, hold it tight and secure so my hair will look like this. Grab my other hand and blow dry. Okay, so now that the inside of my hair is dry, I like to blow dry the outside of my hair by blow drying this part here. So now, since I blow dried my hair this way, we're gonna do the opposite now, because you want your curls, well, you want your ends to come out the other way. That way you can have that nice little flip to it, you know what I'm saying? Those little nice loose curls. All right, so brush your hair. Now you're gonna do the opposite way. Okay, so what I like to do with my hair, when I finish blow drying that part, I like to twist it, and then I start with the other side. Same thing, but on this side, you're not going to start inwards. You're going to start outwards. So you can blow dry the inside of your hair. If that makes sense, guys. You're going to have your hair like this. This is my hair, right? You're going to have it like this. I am going to flip it. Since I want my hair to go this way, we have to put your brush here. This is your hair. Put it like this. Oops. You're gonna wrap it around the brush and you are going to blow dry this way down. And at the ends, you're gonna curl your ends up by blow drying it up this way. So make sure you guys see the motions. That way you know how to have those pretty curls at the end, you know? All right, let's do that. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. And now I'm gonna put it to just Alright, so put it to the side. I keep curling it, you know. For the rest of my hair, I have a lot of hair, so please bear with me. I am going to take out my bun. I'm going to grab my hair, but I'm going to do this side now. So what I like to do is I like to grab part of my hair on this side. So I just grab it like that, split it, have about this much hair out, and for the rest of my hair, put it up in a bun again, or use a clip if you have a clip, but I don't have a clip, so I'm gonna just use a scrunchie. Now you want your dry hair to be on one side and your wet hair on the other side. So my hair is kind of a little too wet, so I'm gonna dry it first a little bit. Okay, so now that my hair is somewhat damp, I'm gonna split my hair. You don't want a lot of hair on your brush because then it's going to be hard to blow dry. So I do little sections. So I'm going to use this section. For the rest of my hair, what I like to do is I twist it, put it up around my bun. So for my little section, I am doing my left side. Grab, right? Grab it like this. You're going to blow dry this part, the inside part first. Okay, so once the inside of my hair is dry, mostly this part, for my ends I like to leave it a little bit wet. That way I can curl it up. So I am going to blow dry this part of my hair now. Okay, so now that my ends are dry, since I want my hair to go this way to have curls outward, grab your hair. You're gonna grab your brush. You're gonna put it this way on top and wrap it once. So now you're gonna blow dry this part of the hair and outwards, and towards the end you're gonna keep drying it in a circular motion. That way you can have those pretty curls. Okay, so now that my hair is dry, woo! Again, I like to twist my hair, and now I'm gonna put it to the side, twist it again. And voila! So pretty. Oh my god. Okay, so with my hair, obviously you see this part. Don't really worry about it. I usually flat iron it at the end, so just keep watching. And now I twist my whole hair on the other side. So now my hair will look like this. One side is blow dried, one side is still wet. So I like to do this part next. So we're gonna do that. Take out my bun. Alright, so my hair is dry. Half of it is done. Still have a whole lot of hair left. So for this part, I like to do the back of my hair. I'm only gonna grab a little bit. So I grabbed about this much. Now this part is tricky. So this is what it looks like back there. It's kind of messy, I know, but this works for me. So, okay. So what I like to do with my hair, split it into two. So I'm gonna do this side first, which is my left side. My right side, I like to put it in the front again, wrap it. That way it's not in the way. So again, take your brush, comb your hair out, grab it, use your other hand, and blow dry. Okay, so now that the inside of my hair is dry, most of the back of my hair is done. I'm gonna take my hair. I'm gonna start from the back again. Take a little piece and split it. So your hair will look like this. I like to push it to the back, comb my hair out, and now split my hair down the middle with this. So for this part, what I like to do is go like this on my nose. That way I could create a line to the back. Yeah, it looks in the middle to me. What I like to do is I grab my flat iron. The flat iron that I use is the Infinity Pro by Conair. You guys can use any flat iron that you're comfortable with. This is the one I use. Wait for it to warm up. So I have these baby hairs here that I like to flat iron out. You don't have to do this, but I like to do this part so it can stay intact. So I'll just grab a little piece here, only flat iron that piece, and then along my little baby hairs. Now I'm gonna switch to this side, just do the inside of my hair. So now that that is done, I like to bring my hair to the front. I like to twist the front of my hair. So what I like to use, I got this at a beauty supply store. It's a frizz buster serum. This was $7.99. It's also alcohol free. It eliminates dry, frizzy, and damaged hair. So I'm gonna grab a little bit, about that little drop, rub my hands. I'm gonna put this from here to the bottom, and then occasionally you'll just go like this. And again, I like to put it in the inside where I have my baby hairs. Okay guys, so this is the final result. You should be looking like a snack right now with your hair all blown out. It looks like you just came out the salon. Girl, if you can follow through, I'm sure your hair will come out beautiful. And don't be upset if it does not go your way. Practice makes perfect. Okay? Okay. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Bow. Y'all gonna look like a snack. Y'all gonna look like a 5-course meal. 5-course meal? Yeah, 5-course meal. Yeah.